Hey y'all, it's your girl Della and I'm back with the cooking video. By the title, you already know what's good and what's popping, so let's get straight into it. We're gonna need a saucepan, some butter. I like Blue Bonnet, but if you want something else, get it. And of course, the marshmallows. And your kind of cereal, I'm gonna go with Lucky Charms. You can pick whatever you want. And just to add a little extra flavor, some vanilla extract. But before we get into this video, don't forget to like that button, comment down below, comment a marshmallow sign or whatever you want down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that post notification button. Let's get straight into it. Preheat the pan, measure, and it tells me the cups. So I forgot to say get a cup measure. And let's start out by first just, adding some Blue Bonnet. The whole thing. Keep stirring, just keep stirring, just keep stirring, just keep stirring. Boom! Once this is all melted, add this in. Should I go over here? No. It should start to be coming together just like this. Like a cloudy but smooth texture. Make sure it's on low. You don't want to burn it or anything. You see how it's just combining together? That's what you want. So now we're gonna grab our crushed cereal and we're gonna do 2 cups, depending on how much you like. To be honest, I only got a little bit left, so I'm gonna just add the rest in there. All together, this was 3 cups. And there's still marshmallow chunks in there, so it's gonna melt and look nice. Our handy dandy pan and some spray. We're just gonna spray it down real quick. I'm a little creative, so I'm gonna add a little bit of Fruit Loops to it too. You see all the dust I got on me? For your bag, don't throw your bag away. Spray it, set it aside, and I'll get ready to dump all your goodness into this pan. And you're gonna even it out. Voila, bitches. It looks so beautiful. No. It's good. I just took it out a little too early, so I gotta let it set a little bit more. I'll give this an 8 out of a 10. Just let it sit for like an hour, maybe 2 hours, and it'll be cool. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that post notification button, and share it with your friends. Bye, y'all.